take the admission test. And that's not easy, by the way. In fact, almost 90% of students there score below 60. I got an average of 59.98. I was sad, I was angry, I was shocked, but nothing out of the ordinary. I didn't know how much this affected me. Maybe I was in denial. September 27th. That was the date of the admission test, which I wasn't allowed to take. I had totally forgotten about it. I was having a great summer, enjoying my time. I woke up that day, and right away I knew something wasn't right. I couldn't smile. I literally couldn't smile. I panicked. I looked myself in the mirror and tried to smile. Only the right side of my face moved. The left side was paralyzed. Turns out I had facial paralysis. I couldn't even blink my left eye. At night, I would put a pillow against my left eye just to keep it shut, or else it would stay open all night. So, that was the most depressing feeling I've ever felt. Not being able to smile. Looking myself in the mirror for hours. Seeing that horrible, disfigured face. Wondering, am I ever going to smile again like a normal person? What did I do to deserve this? I stayed like that for almost a couple of months. I couldn't even drink without using a straw. Actually, a funny thing happened when I came back to university a couple of weeks later. I met some new friends, and to my luck, they always sat on the left side of me in my class. So they would start saying funny things, and I would be smiling and laughing, but they couldn't tell because the left side of my face wasn't moving. So for a whole week, they thought I was a complete jerk, and they thought I was arrogant. But later on, I explained everything, and we had a good laugh about it. So with a lot of drugs and physiotherapy, I got better after a couple of months, and everything was back to normal. I could smile again. Right after that, I got the measles. I mean, what are the chances of getting measles at 19 years old, for God's sake? I stayed in bed for another month. I was purple from head to toe. My head looked like a giant blueberry. I couldn't smile. I couldn't study well. So, but I got the average of 60, and I took the admission test. I was ranked 83rd in Lebanon. They only accepted 80. After I got my DS, I decided to come here to AV and apply to med school here. I went to register for the MCAT, which is AV's admission test for medical school. It turns out all the seats were full. They were booked for the whole summer. In fact, the last seat was taken on the same day that I went to register. And I missed my chance. By now, I was sure this has to be divine intervention. For some reason, God did not want me to go down that path. You know what? I'm glad He did. Since then, I've had the best years of my life. I had the greatest experiences, met the most amazing people, and I can't ask for more. But what I want you guys to keep in mind is, if you don't get a certain job, or accomplish a certain career, do not think that you are not good enough for it. It's just that God knows that you're going to be a lot better at something else, and He's guiding you in that direction. And whenever you're having a bad day, just smile, just to make sure you still can. And when you do, I promise, you're going to feel a lot better. For me, it always works.